moral boost to be successful leaders, excellent communicators, as well tax-savvy company secretaries. Uh, a little bit background on when we started as company secretaries. I qualified in the year of 1987. And that was when company secretary was in a very, very nascent stage. And whenever we said that we are company secretaries, everybody thought it was a personal secretary to the managing director. And it indeed was very difficult to explain to the people that we are professionals, we are the owners of the company law, I would say, and we are legal professionals. But of course, 25, 27 years down the line, I think you all are very, very well placed, because today, company secretary is a very, very well respected profession, and everybody knows the value and the importance of a company secretary. Company secretary, no doubt, is a leader in every way, because company secretary is a person who is actually coordinating between the board, the management, the employees of the company, the stakeholders of the company, the shareholders of the company, the government authorities. So it is a focal person handling various roles individually. So I would say a company secretary is definitely a leader, and holds a very prominent position today in the corporate world. We are the custodians of company law. We are experts, and that's what we are trained while we are studying the course. Apart from company law, we are also experts in various other related laws, such as the SEBI laws. We are also experts in listing requirements. We are experts as far as labor laws are concerned, and other indirect laws such as taxation. And we also are taught finance, accountancy, etc. So, but the most important thing is that we have to prove ourselves as a leader. We have the position of a leader, but we have to prove ourselves as a leader. And how does one prove ourselves as a leader? Is through good communication. So therefore, communication becomes very important to be a good leader. As I heard our company, one of the students very effectively speak on communication and talked about how Abraham Lincoln or other world leaders have become superheroes is mainly because of their communication. And I agree completely with that, because today, if you are not able to communicate, you always are left behind. You have to voice your opinion. You have to voice your advices. You have to, you cannot, you are a custodian of law, and today, law is very important. We have seen so many scams recently that is happening. Why are these scams happening? Why is it that, companies are, falling into such races where, ultimately thousands and thousands and thousands of crores are, completely wasted? Is mainly because as custodians of law, we are not guiding the management as to what is right, what is wrong. They have to comply with the law, and that is why we are studying this profession. That is why we are studying, that is why we are here, to ensure that the corporates comply with the regulations, with the regulatory authorities, because that will safeguard their interest of the society at large, and the interest of the people, the common people. Shareholders, who invest, trust the people and trust the company secretaries, because whatever information is given, they feel is true and fair. But if the company secretary is responsible to ensure that the information given is true and fair, that is our role, our responsibility, and that's what we are doing. And that can be done through proper communication. You have to communicate, and communication using technology. communication using technology today, I think, that's the best way where we can, give all the information, create transparency, bring about transparency, bring about good, bring about good corporate governance. Is it fine? Bring about good corporate governance and ensure that, while the corporate survives and grows and prospers, so does the economy, so does the country, and so all of us. So I think with this short message, I congratulate all of you who are here and wish you all the success in your future endeavors. May you become excellent professionals and make a name for yourself as well as for the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Thank you very much.